Okay, good morning everybody. Welcome back to Drive Time Escapes. My name is Conrad. We are in the Tesla today. We're charged up to 100% and we're off to a very special venue. It's that special, I can't actually tell you where we're going to, but some of the cars we're going to see today are probably some of my favourites, some of the most expensive cars you can buy, and probably my dream car as a child. So stay tuned and I'll speak to you when we get there. The Lamborghini Countach LP400S, a machine that fueled my childhood dreams and ignited a lifelong passion for supercars. As a kid, I remember watching the Cannonball Run with my dad, entranced by the opening scene. The slick black LP400S tearing down the highway, outpacing the police with the roar that sent shivers down my spine. As a child, I'd restart the opening scenes over and over just to hear the symphony of power and see that incredible machine in action. The way it looked, the way it sounded, it was pure automotive perfection. Forward to today, and I'm here at Zach's garage, standing face to face with that very car that captivated my childhood imagination, the Lamborghini Countach. In all its glory, it's not just a car, it's a piece of cinematic history and a symbol of my youth. Seeing it close up in every detail is more stunning than I remembered. The aggressive lines, the low profile, and the unmissable V12 engine. It's a dream come true.
Finally get paid for the get down. You can't tell me now about time. Do you know how many lines I done pent down? Vibes I done sent out, but we in here to dig. I'll up the market till they come red carpet and kids. Success still the target, soon I'll be crossing that bridge. But can't bring everybody with me, family only. I got some people think I owe a favor, barely know me. That's why my focus on the road, it's all I know. I see them sticking close to play the wall and watch my growth, cause I got something they never had. So get on the beat and I need a helipad. I float, I'm fly, you know where I'm from, so it comes as no surprise. I just out with a mean vernacular, dream spectacular. I keep a queen and passenger, FL capital Y. Anywhere I am, jam, that's for sure. Turn me on, better set the mood from the door. That's just how it goes.
Glad I've been keeping it playing so long. Out here in this world, I feel it ain't a place that I could roam. But ain't nothing like you when I'm at home. It ain't nothing like you when I'm at home.
That's why I came out stepping. I can't be doing things regular for you. I want the magic to last. I know how time try and ruin things. It get repetitive, got you tempted to doing things. I can't get reckless without you, wouldn't be no music thing. Plus, remember, we made promises way back then, and I still owe that 5-bed house with 2-3 kids. We got a fairy tale plan that's gonna change up the order they sort the mail in. Plus, I know loyalty not as valued as what it was. We not influenced by what they do, cause it's only us. I still hear poetry when I'm looking into them eyes. I still get lost in the thought of you with so much to find. And yeah, you know you're fine, but still I must remind you that we can love this forever and feel this forever and never and never. And still that we leave me enough for time to tell you all the ways I feel. Why would I throw that away for thrills? Trying to play the field.
Glad I've been keeping it playing so long. Out here in this world, I feel it ain't a place that I could roam. But ain't nothing like you when I'm at home. It ain't nothing like you when I'm at home.
a moment to extend a huge thank you to Zach for opening up his incredible car collection for us to explore. Zach was an absolute star, ensuring everyone had a fantastic time. He brought out car after car, giving us the opportunity to get close and personal and snap some more amazing pictures. Zach's passion for these machines was evident, and his dedication to making sure every guest had a memorable experience was truly commendable. He did mention the 2 Koenigsegg's were inbound. As you can see, I passed them on the way out, just missed them. Thank you, Zach, for an incredible time, for putting on such a great day. Regrettably, I didn't get a chance to talk to Zach personally, as he was constantly on the move, being a perfect host and keeping everyone entertained. It was an unforgettable experience, and we truly appreciate the effort and hospitality. Looking forward to the next event at Zach's garage. Until then, keep the passion alive, stay tuned for more incredible car adventures with Drive Time Escapes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our amazing channel to keep up to date with all of our videos, and keep in the lookout for the next challenge video coming soon. Ciao!